Because we premiered the work at the Tribeca Film Festival and it was on this public stage and we got quite a bit of media coverage, we ended up getting lots of contacts from major corporations, nonprofits, government officials who were interested in thinking about using the VR as some sort of training tool, which is not what we designed it to do. We were really exploring whether we could meaningfully and authentically represent experiences of racism in VR, whether that even made sense to do. But since have started to think about ways to partner with organizations to explore how to integrate this into diversity equity initiatives in different organizations. And so we've spent the past year building those relationships and partnerships, and are also thinking about ways to partner with teachers and educators and how it might be integrated into a classroom curriculum. We're integrating into the curriculum at the Columbia School of Social Work. So it's really turned into this thing that I thought thought it could be impactful, but it's really taking on a life of its own, which has been really, really interesting and exciting for me.